On the sixth day of the apocalypse, the Kung Fu gave to me another raft, Luigi's Mansion. Raft with Papi, Bloody Trapland, Colot, and G-Mod Racing. Where you at, M1? We just need 2 ingots, M1.
Chiquita, what's that?
Gold.
It's a seagull that's wings were not spread. I thought it was an alien. Okay, I just said I'm gonna make another house improvement.
Home improvement with Papi. It better not be a stupid shark head.
Chiquita, I totally forgot about that.
We have like 6 of them. And nobody likes them.
But Chiquita, Papi wants to mount it on the wall.
We already have one. What are we going to do
We
with
could have
another
more. And you really can only.
Here, you give me this.
Fine.
Oh, look at that Papi, a huge island. Do you see it?
It's huge! You think the ship sits on it?
That is a big island, Papi.
It
I wonder
is.
if that's where we're supposed to go.
I don't know, but it seems like it. It's like the biggest island Papi's ever seen, Chiquita. In all of his years, I mean, wait. Let me go consult the calendar. In all of his 35 days at sea, he's never seen an island this big. I mean, it's huge. Is there a house up there? Or is Papi hallucinating? Papi's stuck.
Please, yes.
I'm going to sit in this chair and admire. I don't know. I mean, he's like massive. He's actually like, he's like a giant bird of prey. Are you seeing this, Chiquita?
Okay, well, I'm gonna eat.
I wish I had binoculars. Oh, it's massive. Where's the bird? He better. If he eats our house, I'm actually going to cry.
Oh my goodness!
Isn't it? It's a huge bird.
Don't grow any crops.
He's not going to eat the crops. Chiquita, there's a little hole. There's a little hole.
Get in front of it and weigh the anchor.
Quick, make us flippers. Can we make flippers on short notice?
Maybe. I don't know. I have to see. I'm getting ready to do the anchor. Let me check the flippers.
Steady. Oh, that's a good bird.
I need one more vine goo. So yeah, I have to burn some wood, but I can make flippers.
Oh, large landmass.
Ahoy!
Wait, anchor!
Anchor is dropped.
There's no way our giant boat can fit.
Alright, let me go to the smelter and if I can smelt one more vine goo. And lay down there.
Where does it lead?
Papi, yeah, there's a way up.
Good.
There's a way up, Papi. See?
Careful.
Chiquita,
careful. Papi does not trust the island. What? You gave me this? Dirt! This is a rare find. That looks like a paddle, Chiquita.
Paddle, 1 second.
Good job, Chiquita. The rare dirt creature.
Roll your dirt.
Oh, the pig! Chiquita, the pig! I'm afraid. Kill it, Chiquita. Kill it. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Chiquita!
Be careful, Papi. Where is it? Where are you? In there? Oh, there you are.
Kill it. Oh.
More.
Oh my goodness.
We got it, Papi.
We killed it.
We killed it.
Okay. Harvest. Are you harvesting it?
It was good. We got leather, Papi.
Did we get his head?
And a warthog head.
We got his head,
Yeah,
Chiquita. Okay. Careful. Let's explore.
Papi, this is a dangerous island.
That bird has something in its
Papi,
feet.
bird.
I'm afraid.
Don't
The rock, Chiquita!
later.
And Papi is going to die. He has to sit in a hole for a little while. Here, we could go the next story up.
Did that bird come for us?
Yeah, he did. He dropped a rock on Papi's head, but
It's like a shark, but in the skies.
Mushrooms! Chiquita, come back in here. Oh, wait. I hear a pig. I'm afraid.
Another pig? Well, Papi, this is a good island. This is a great island.
There's more dirt up here.
Look at all this
Chiquita.
dirt.
Once Papi's health grows back, we can continue on, but it's pretty low right now. That pig really beat me up. Oh, I think I see a pig. I see something. Chiquita. Wait. It's nothing. It's just a glowing rock.
Goes up.
Yeah, this is how you get to the top of the island. Maybe if we could kill that bird first. Oh, I see something.
I don't think either one of us could do it, but we could try to use a bow and arrow.
Ah! Chiquita!
Hey!
Bring me back to the boat! Quickly!
Here!
What hit me?
It's weird.
Chiquita!
My puppy.
Chiquita!
He got completely killed.
Just remember,
Completely wasted.
your puppy loves you!
My goodness, Papi.
Wait, I'm still
how did
alive.
she
Don't
die?
cry yet. Chiquita, you
Good,
remember
because
that
there's gonna be a
one time
shark.
with your mother? Well, when she died, yeah, this is at that time. Bring me up this ladder. You can do it. Chiquita, you're such a strong girl.
And what happened?
I don't
Did the
know.
bird come out and get the shark?
I'm awake.
Papi, the shark has destroyed a part of the boat.
What a freak.
And also, something attacked me inside there. Was that the...
Yeah,
Did the bird follow us?
I think it did. Okay, we need a plan, Chiquita. We need that bow and arrow. Oh, he's up there. He's
Wait.
dropping rocks on us. No, he's a seagull.
Okay, we hide under here. Let's
Agreed.
see, weapons.
Especially since Papi's like...
We need 2 vine goo. We don't have any vine goo.
We have any...
But that's it. That's all it takes to make those.
Ah!
We need metal
Oh my
ingots.
goodness, Chiquita.
Feathers. Feathers.
Your Papi almost died again.
Hmm?
This island is dangerous.
That bird is
We're
gonna
not
be a
even...
problem, but we have to just ignore it.
Chiquita, one of these
And
things
run
is
up there
definitely
anyways.
moving. On the radar, it's definitely moving. Or else my name is not Papi Margarita Chiquita Harvito.
Is that your name?
Is it?
Okay, Papi, I'm going on an excursion.
Don't leave me, Chiquita.
I
What if
die?
I die while you're gone?
What, you're gonna die? I'm the one going out there to brave all the wild animals.
But I want to come. I'm at half health. That's good enough.
Hey, I'm just gonna make an excursion inland. Oh, there's an area to hide under over here.
Wait, Chiquita, are you ahead of me?
I'm hiding under. There's another boar. It's up on the mountain. I see it. Oh, you see me? Good. Hide under here, Papi.
Look at the trees, Chiquita.
Hey,
We
there's
can
a lot
kill
of
this whole
trees.
forest. Can we just settle
I'm
here?
gonna break for these trees. Papi, there's another island.
Oh my goodness.
Breaking for the trees. We kill the bird. That's what we do first.
Oh, he's coming. Ah!
It's okay, I hid under a big tree.
Can we kill this tree?
Nice try, you sucky,
Oh, we
sucky
can't
creature.
kill this tree.
This is such a good island, we should just live here.
I know, right? I would stay
Papi,
here.
there's a little water area down here.
Good, we can drink it. Is it fresh water? I should test it out. Oh, it's
There's
salt
some
water.
scrap and clay down here.
Why is there salt water on an island?
Papi, basically the eagle is the guardian spirit of the island and we're the evil people.
What's that red smoke? Look at that bird just walking up the invisible mountain.
That's a turkey?
There the chicken is! Let's go kill it! Uh-oh, he's gonna go tell his friends.
Oh, Papi, watermelon. I have watermelon.
I feel like he's gonna come attack
Pretty.
with like an army. He's coming! Chiquita, he wants to kill me! He's walking backwards. No, wait, he's running.
Nope, okay, nope, he's running actually. Eh,
I missed. He looks like...
Papi, he is fast.
Is he the baby of the big thing? Got a bad feeling about this kid.
Maybe we need the net launcher.
We do!
Let him be for now. We might can kidnap him. Yep, okay, I'm convinced. It's over here, Papi, I see the way.
Gee, we've lost each other.
There's a bit of stone steppage. So this bird doesn't get me going. Parkouring.
Cheetah, you're too good at all this parkour.
Eh,
Oh, I see it.
Okay, I'm under the tree.
Go pick up your stupid rock.
And for watermelon.
You can't hit me with it. I'm Papi. I think I could survive a hit.
Papi!
I'm afraid now.
Papi, come up here. What are you... Papi,
I'm
what are
trying to
you
climb the
doing up
mountain,
there?
Chiquita. It's hard. Okay. What a
Okay,
beautiful
Papi,
island.
there is a big pig.
Chiquita, pose for the photo album.
It is up there, further up the mountain. This is it. Yeah, this is the area. There's a little mango tree. I'll sit under it. Papi, where are you?
Coming.
Oh my goodness. Oh man, he hit me through the mango tree. Bird's insane. I think we must go up those steps. Right here, behind. Yeah, this must be the way. Okay, this is the way, Papi. I'm getting up here and under a big substantial tree.
Great. Papi
Or that
is coming.
Chiquita come
Oh, he's
get
right
me.
up. We're good. Oh, he's big, Chiquita. There's a goat up there, Chiquita. Don't let him hit you off the mountain. Okay.
How are you already up there?
I'm right here, behind you.
Oh, you were talking about how big it was, and I was like, what do you even see, Papi?
The bird, isn't it huge? It is.
Yeah, we need to figure out how to do next,
Yeah, we could catch it.
and then kill that thing. Arrows.
Quick, run.
We have to go swimming.
Yeah,
They gave us all the camp. We just have to perhaps.
the goat.
That is a
I
big
see the
bird. It
goat.
just went into the side of the mountain.
He's beautiful. Look how beautiful the goat is, Chiquita. I want him. I'll name him
It's a
goat.
pig up here, Papi. No. Wah! He hit me through the tree. I'm almost dead.
Chiquita, don't you dare die on me.
That's not.
You have to sprint whenever he drops it. It's the only way to get away. I think we should go down, Chiquita. We know what's up here, but it's dangerous.
The pig is over here. That's what's up here.
Also the bird.
Oh, Papi! It's a chest.
Chiquita.
Yes, find goo.
Yikes.
Ah,
Scary, scary bird.
this bird.
Berries! Pick the berries, Chiquita.
Yeah, there's. Okay, the bird. He's up there. What's he doing? Oh, he was
He's gonna
hitting a
drop
rock.
a rock on Papi. That's what he's doing.
Jeez, Papi, you see the bow? Look at this
Oh, it's beautiful.
thing. This thing is savage.
You made that from scrap. I'm so
It's night.
proud of you. With Chiquita's newly made bow, she decided to go out and kill the giant bird. And it didn't go so well. Now Papi can see to paint. See, black.
Oh no, I died, Papi.
Papi is
Just come
coming,
save me.
Chiquita. He's coming now. Where are you?
I died on top of the tunnel.
Papi
Sorry.
is coming, Chiquita. Ah! Yeah! Chiquita! Oh, I'm stuck in a
hurts.
rock. Chiquita! Chiquita!
Papi!
We're going!
Oh, you found me. You did find me, right?
Yes. Don't worry.
It's not the ghost, huh?
Not a goblin carrying you off. Yeah. Chiquita, even if we get bit by a shark on the way back, Papi will save you.
Get me back to bed, Papi.
Yeah.
But put me in your bed so I won't die when I wake up.
Sleep, John. I mean, Chiquita.
Ah,
After the incident with the big bad bird, Papi decided to sail away from this island while Conchita was still swimming. I had no idea.
wait, what? You're leaving this island?
I'm not trying to. But
Oh, Papi.
if we want to
think
go
you may
to it, we're going to
strand me
need
here.
oars. Drop anchor.
Where are you?
I'm on probably the other
You dropped
side.
anchor, but where did you
I
drop
thought
anchor?
you were just like swimming offshore, real close to Papi, but this is what happens whenever you look away. Your Chiquita runs away.
You can see the island.
Yeah, I'm kind of next to it. I'm on the butt half of it. I'm not sure.
Papi,
if
you
I'm-
passed the island, didn't you?
No, I thought we
See,
were.
native.
I'm
hallucinating.
What? I came to chop down all of the trees.
Do you have any food?
I do. You want some?
No, Papi, this boat is actually starting to look pretty nice. I do have to say.
Oh, that's not him. Get off! Get off!
At first, I
Get
said, this boat is a piece of garbage.
Yeah,
Oh,
a
Papi, I
lamp.
totally tricked this battery. Look at my head.
You have a lamp. Wow, that's nice. Chiquita, come to my room. It's important.
Okay, I'm
beautiful.
coming.
She's absolutely beautiful.
Then what have you done? You didn't even harvest the chicken. Good meat. It's good melon. There's another chicken just right here eating this, Papi. You didn't even kill the chicken.
Chiquita, when you see this, you will
Okay, I'm
say
going to
it
your
doesn't
room.
matter.
Papi, you are 5 years old.
Look at
5 years
this!
old.
Look at this, Chiquita!
No, the boar head. That's what we've done.
Yes, please
Oh,
take
Papi,
notice.
where's the island? You're coughing me. Drink
There we
this
go.
fresh water.
39 days. Tomorrow is our 40th anniversary, Chiquita, of living in this lovely boat. Wow.
Hey, if only we could, I don't know. Actually, we've done pretty good. For 40 days, this is not bad.
This is
Sure, other people have done better, but this is not bad.
No. Okay. Chiquita, we are cool
Thanks
people.
for
aren't we?
watching, everybody. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Raft with Papi and Chiquita.
Exactly.
There was a giant bird. I had a bow and arrow, and I
Yeah.
used it kind of funkily.
Kind of
I
scary.
died. Papi died.
I put a. No, I didn't die this time, Chiquita. Papi saved you
I
twice.
carried you back first.
Oh, you're right.
No, you saved. You did die. I've carried you back
forgot.
to the boat twice.
I forgot.
Papi.
Okay, Chiquita.
Papi.
We have a boar head. We should name him Boris.